Kids' Tales.
Whoa! Look at that! A cattle farm!
A cattle farm? I didn't even know we were near a farm.
Cows! Cows! Can we go see the cows, Dad?
I don't know, Dad. What if they're scary cows?
Nonsense! Cows are gentle. Let's go check it out.
I don't know about this. Last time we got too close to farm animals, we had to use the car wash for an hour.
Look at them. They're like big, cute dogs, but with horns.
Timmy, I don't think the cows want to play fetch.
This one looks friendly. I'm gonna pet it.
God, don't. What if it...
Okay. That was unexpected.
Dad, it sounds like the cow's trying to talk to you.
Well, I think it said, "Get away from my personal space, buddy."
I think we should stick to observing the cows from here, not getting too personal with them.
Yeah, maybe I'll just admire them from a safe distance.
Funny morning. The family arrived. Dad, Mom, Timmy, and Lucy felt so alive. They saw the cows, all big and strong. The farm was so peaceful where they all belong. Moo, 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 the cows say hello. Come on to the farm and watch it all grow. Milk in the morning, hay at noon. The farm is happy, it's a wonderful tune. Dad was standing near a cow so sweet. When she moved right in his face, what a treat! Timmy and Lucy laughed with delight. Mom joined in, it was a funny sight. Moo, 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 the cows say hello. Come on to the farm and watch it all grow. Milk in the morning, hay at noon. The farm is happy, it's a wonderful tune. They watched the farmer milk the cow. Timmy said, "Wow, look at her now!" Lucy fed the cows their hay, and the cows chewed happily all day. Moo, 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 the cows say hello. Come on to the farm and watch it all grow. Milk in the morning, hay at noon. The farm is happy, it's a wonderful tune. The family helped the farmer, what a treat. Feeding the cows, such a joy so sweet. They talked to the farmers, learned so much, and felt the cow's soft, gentle touch. Moo, 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 the cows say hello. Come on to the farm and watch it all grow. Milk in the morning, hay at noon. The farm is happy, it's a wonderful tune. As the sun set low, it was time to go. But they'll be back, they all know. A day on the farm, so bright and true, with cows and laughs and memories too. Moo, 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 the cows say goodbye. We'll be back again, under the sky. Milk in the morning, hay at noon. The farm's our happy place, we'll see you soon.
I think the cows are eating their lunch.
Well, at least someone's enjoying this trip.
I bet the cows never need a car wash.
All right. I think we've learned our lesson. Stick to the highway and leave the cows to their lunch.
And that's how the family learned that cows, just like stars, are better admired from a safe distance.
Hi, friends. We hope you like the video. Please like and share this video as much as possible.
And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting videos. Thank you!